Alright, my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss. How are you guys doing? Y'all, we finally made it to the new year, 2024. So with that being said, we're going to start this thing off with Tresemme Flawless Curls. This is the shampoo and the conditioner, you guys. I really like this particular product because you get a lot of bang for your buck. I do believe that this is a 28 floral ounce. You guys, it has 0% parabens, so on and so forth. A good thing about this particular product, salon stylists know great style starts with the right wash and care foundation. Tresemme Pro Style technology with amino acids and ceramide works from the inside out and leaves your hair feeling strong and also manageable. You guys, if you're new tuning in, thank you. Welcome. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and give this video a great big thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. You guys, you can see the Q code there. You can hover your phone over that. This will allow you to be able to access how stylists go about using this particular product so that you get the best results. A good thing I like about this particular product, you guys, is just the top by itself. It just clicks and you squeeze. So let's go ahead and let's try this product out. My hair is definitely full of product and needs to be cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with this shampoo here. You guys can see the texture. Tresemme products, it's usually a nice creamy type product and goes on pretty good. So as you guys can see, I am just massaging it onto my scalp and onto my hair to make sure I get a really good clean. Okay, I like this product because it is supposed to lock in moisture and help make your hair soft. Now I have soft hair to begin with anyway, so I anticipate my hair to be extremely soft after using this particular product here. Also, you guys, if you didn't know, you can follow me on Instagram. You saw my information there. So check me out on the IG. I do post things there. Okay. Anyway, you guys, another reason that I decided to go ahead and purchase this product, because you guys know that I wear a lot of braids. And I can tell that after this last set of braids that I had, my hair was extremely stressed. So I definitely needed something to kind of help rebuild its strength. Okay, you guys, so I've washed out the product. This is what my hair looks like after using the shampoo. Again, very soft. This product has trusted ingredients. This collection is cruelty free and has 0% parabens, mineral oil, and DMDM hydaton. I hope I pronounced that correctly, you guys. Not really sure. You guys saw that from the beginning. Anyway, 0%, and they have it biggest day on the front of each bottle. So definitely I like that a lot. Okay, so going ahead, moving forward, you guys. So this is what my hair is looking like now. Okay, with the conditioner. And you guys, the conditioner just glided right on. Again, it has a very nice consistency. And by the way, y'all, this product smells absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. One more thing to top this off, you guys, this product is extremely affordable. You can find it just about anywhere. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you to the next one. Smooches.